These pumpkin delights. I have no idea what the hell a pumpkin delight is, what a delight is. It just looks like a basic ass cookie and jam. Look kinda. Oh, okay. Oh, they got flat ass head. What happened? It's looking more like Frankenstein. if you ask me. They're kind of small, so let's see. Anyways, let's just see how this is. I'm gonna break this in half, maybe. Oh, okay, it's very soft. Oh, okay, it's all throughout. See, see, it's like kind of. It's very chewy. I think it kind of tastes similar